Look, man, I pull up to the scene, okay, hauling butt, man. I get there as quickly as I could, locked up the brakes, slammed the truck in gear, and I hopped out while the truck was still moving.
There comes Louis.
Did anybody get hurt?
Just the camera guy was inside.
What happened? Where's the camera guy at?
Inside the truck. He's over here. He's in the back. Watch yourself.
Well, how'd you get hurt? Why was he in the back of the car?
I told him to get out. I told him like 3 times, get out of the car. He wants to stay in the car.
You kidding me, dude? You're done. This is like the 34th time you're done.
I see Matt. Matt looks all right. I tell the camera guy, I said, what possessed you to get in the car? Who told you to get in the car? You know, you're a camera guy. You're not a freaking stunt guy. You're not a repo guy. He really pissed me off. I was done, man. And you know what, dude? He's out. I told him, you know what, man? You're fired.
What happened, dude?
Sorry, dude. I had to go to the bathroom. I was coming around the corner too quick. The car flipped, dude. Sorry.
Are you hurt?
No. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, dude.
You know
I'm
what
sorry.
this shit means, brother?
You
know what?
I'm sorry.
Hey, as long as nobody's hurt, I can't have you no more for liability, man. Camera guy, you could have killed him. I don't know who let him get in the back of the car.
We told him to get out, dude. We told him to get out.
All right, do me a favor. Go to the hospital and check yourself. Call me from the hospital, man. You and the camera guy, you guys are gone. Just call me from the hospital.
And the camera guy, you know what, man? There's 100 camera guys out there. I really don't care about the camera guy. But all the years that I trained this knucklehead, all the stuff that I've done for Matt, everything that I've showed him, you know, all the opportunities that I've given him, he threw them away. Just like that, bam.
Are you okay? So what do you want me to do?
Just, you know what? Take him right now to the hospital. Take that camera guy to the hospital. Call me from the freaking hospital.
I'm sorry,
Matt.
I'm sorry, Lou.
Take
I'm
him to the
sorry.
hospital.
So, Froy, take them both to the hospital. Make sure they're okay. But Matt, brother, you're done. That was it. He knew it. I mean, he knew it. That's it. He's fired. Man, there's no more chances after that. This is ridiculous.
Let's go, dude. Just take me to the car, man. Just take me back to my car.
Well, I gotta take him to the
Yeah,
hospital.
take him to the hospital. Take me back to my car.
Matt knew he screwed up, okay? He obviously acknowledged it. He knew there was nothing that he was gonna say or do that was gonna convince me otherwise. He's fired, man. I don't give a shit what anybody asks me or say whatever. He's done.
Lou fired Matt. And yes, he has fired Matt quite a few times in the past. But Matt has never really done anything like this. Slow the down, bro. Slow down.
No, shut up. We lost it, boy. We lost it. God.
Oh,
Dude. Stop.
oh, damn. Matt! Not only did he damage property, he put someone's life in danger. You know, I really don't think that Lou's gonna be too happy about this. I can't tell you what's gonna happen with him. I mean, that's not my decision. That's not something that is up to me. I mean, he's my friend, and if it was up to me, I mean, the only thing I can tell him is be careful. But it's up to Lou, whatever he wants to do.
Are you crying?
No.
What's wrong with you?
No, Froy.
So glad you guys are in a happy mood because we got
Go inside the car, naked. They're filming something in the car.
They film porn.
There's a couple of guys outside filming something. There's a girl with her just sticking out the back.
If I go up there and block it, can they get out?
No, there's no
So
other
they'll
way.
be blocked, right?
Yeah.
Let's go block them.
But they didn't see me because they got some music going on. They got something going
Let's
on.
block it. Let's get up there and block it and see what happens.
You just never know what you're gonna find. But in this situation, I have to say that I loved what I seen. I mean, I know I was there for the vehicle, and the car's a nice car. Don't get me wrong. It's, you know, beautiful car, bellissimo. But it came with a little extra.
This guy's gonna say, what the hell are you guys doing near my house?
It's the first car.
See? God, kid. I'm gonna block her. All right,
Oh
let's
my
go.
goodness, she's not naked. Emergency brake.
You got the reporter?
Yeah, I got it.
Hey, how you guys doing? Listen, this car is up for repossession.
You got to get out of the car, ma'am. We get to the top of the hill. As I'm pulling up, I see this naked woman in the BMW. You know, and this guy's filming her, another guy with the boom mic. I'm like, man, this is how they do it? You guys got to get out the car.
We're working here. We're working here.
Relax. Hey, don't relax. Don't I'm looking for Miles. I'm looking for Miles. Hey, you touched me first, man. We don't want any problems. We're here to get the car.
Hey,
Are you Miles?
Yes, sir.
Okay, look it, man.
First of all, no.
We need everybody to get out of the car, brother. We have a repossession 3 months.
Just private property.
That's 3 months.
Hey, yeah. Just relax, okay?
3 months.
Okay, we're talking, okay.
Cameras out of here.
Okay,
We have the right to be
cameras
here.
allowed here, mine.
okay. Well, wait a minute. Relax, man. Here, I'm here to repossess the car, man. So we all get out, approach the guy. The guy starts screaming for the RO, and I'm like, I'm in shock, brother. I was very professional, but I gotta tell you, man, this girl was there in the nude, you know, like nothing. Okay, you're obviously a businessman, okay? I'm not here to cause any problems or have any towards me. I want the car, that's it. Get everybody out, I'm taking the car.
Look, first of all these cameras off right now. Look,
okay.
I'm trying to run a legitimate business. I don't know what the hell is going on.
Okay, all right, listen.
This is where I filmed.
Do you own that? Do you own that property over there?
No.
Okay, guys, get on the property over there. Guys, camera guys off the property.
Turn your cameras off.
So I told him, fine. You own next door? No. Okay, guys, go stand in the dirt right there. You can film from there. He thinks he knows the laws. Well, guess what? We know the laws as well.
Hey, no, hold on.
Okay, look, here's the easiest way. Just give us the keys. Finish. We'll stand by. Do what you're gonna do. My guys are off your. You know what?
How do I work this out, man? Seriously.
Just call them up. Just tell them, hey, listen, I gave up the key. I gave up the car. I need my car back. I'm gonna make the payments. That's it. Simple, man.
No.
Like any other business.
La llave está ahí.
You know what, dude?
You can clean your stuff out, man.
You know he's right, man. Steve, this dude.
What is it? No.
Yeah.
No.
I gotta get the keys. It says it right here, or else I'm going to jail.
Your car, our car.
That's
No.
it. I got it. I'll be right back.
Get a bag. That way you guys can clean out your stuff. So smart guy. He decided to give up the car. We don't have to tow it, you know. And he gave up the car. Yeah, his woman was pissed. His employees were, you know, getting involved. That didn't matter to them. But ultimately, man, we got the car, and that's our job.
Oh, see that go? Seems nice. I'll just take the car in the door. But I'm not the boss.
I'm just glad none of them gallywallies. They were too busy arguing with their man. The other girl was worrying about getting paid, half naked.
Is that what she was saying?
Yeah.
Well, can you blame her?
No, especially if she was. If I was half naked out hanging out the car, I would want to get paid too.
Wow, that is a nice car, man. You got to kid me. Hey,
Follow you because I don't know how to get out of here.
Nice wheels.
that's a nice car, man. Good job. Good job. That's bonus money right there, baby. Bonus money.
Hey,
What?
can we go back, pick up the girl?
Now, you can come back later, dude. We're here for the car. We got it. Let's go. Good job, brother. Let's get the hell out of here.
Well, thanks for driving, Sonia, because I really feel like crap right now. I'm not in the mood to drive.
Well, I don't mind driving, but you know, I'm just like, my thoughts are somewhere else. My mind is somewhere else. I'm a little perturbed. I'm uncomfortable about this deal. With this deal that's gonna happen, man. It's like freaking A. I'm just not comfortable with it.
What deal, the yacht?
Yeah. I'm just worried, man. I mean, we haven't done nothing like this. It's gonna be very dangerous.
Sonia, we've done stuff like this before. I mean, I understand you're a little bit concerned because it's in international waters, but I mean, we jumped out of a freaking plane. It can't be any worse than
It
that.
doesn't matter. It's a little bit different, so I'm really comfortable with it.
It's not a big deal, okay? We got your back. You're the boss. We're all up for it. Let's just do it. I mean,
Well, I'm glad
We've done a lot of things
that
before.
you have my back, and it's all good. But it's still, I'm just not comfortable with it, man. It's just,
you're gonna be fine. We're gonna be fine.
it's easier said than done.
Look, do we have a choice? No. Do we have to do this? Yes. If we do this, the lawsuit gets dropped, and we're good, right? I don't want to get sued. I can't afford to be sued. I might lose my car, I might lose my bike. I can't afford to be sued.
All right.
I got no choice.
We're only doing this yacht repo because we have to. Otherwise, we're facing a lawsuit. I have Linda working on getting us a boat and the rest of us picking up jobs just to keep the money coming in. Now, even though I have a plan, this job is still a big risk. I don't know how Froy can be so calm about this. If we don't get it, I can't sell the company and we all lose. Well,
So,
what are we looking for? What are we looking for?
2013 Chevy Tahoe. Peter's
Do we have a plate? Do we have a color?
last on the plate is NSM.
What kind of truck it is again?
A Chevy Tahoe, right here.
This is like,
NSM.
and there's somebody in it.
Block.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna block him.
It looks like he might be leaving.
He ain't going anywhere. Ain't no backlights. It looks like he's comfortable where he's at. You think there's another place that this chick can be moving her butt?
How you doing, man? Good morning.
Hi. Can I help
Are you Peter?
you? Yes. What's the cameras? What's going on?
Okay, well, I work for your finance company, and I'm here to repossess your Tahoe because you're 4 months behind.
Can you give it a little bit? I'm in the middle of something here.
You're working right now?
Can we do it? Well, yeah, I'm doing some research here in the park. I'm, checking things out.
Oh, you're a writer or something?
Yeah, writer.
Oh.
Right. Yeah, I got some money coming in.
Do you know what this guy's doing? Do you know he has his wanker out?
Huh? You serious?
Yeah.
Is he doing that because of the yoga girl?
Hello.
Tell him you're gonna call the cops.
Is there anything we can do to work this out?
Look, we're gonna be kind of chalant about it, okay? I'm on the other side and I'm seeing what's going on, okay? I'm gonna tell you something. I am gonna call the cops.
No. Come on.
Okay, because this
know
is
you
a
can't do what
problem.
you're
You
doing right
cannot
now.
be doing
Inside the car?
lewd conduct. Come on, dude.
Voices down.
Dude, are you kidding me? Are you doing this because the girls are exercising?
No.
Dude, what you're doing is illegal.
No.
Not to mention it's illegal, it's nasty.
How's it nasty?
What's going on here?
He's playing with himself, watching you do yoga.
Well,
Watching me?
That's freaking sick, dude.
Sir, what's your name?
hi, I'm Peter.
Hi, I'm Evelyn.
Evelyn.
Peter, huh? Lucky story.
Really nice to meet you,
Nice to
Evelyn.
meet you.
Wait, do you guys know each other?
This is Peter.
Did you hear what I just
I
said?
heard what you said.
You okay with that?
Haven't you ever thought about touching yourself while watching a woman do yoga?
What the f?
What if I let you?
Oh, God.
Got to be.
Come on, this
Why
is
don't you-
this is kind of
Okay, you guys know each other, right?
Oh, okay, yeah, we know.
You guys know each other, right? Stop playing.
This is my anniversary present, and you guys are in on it. So come on, let's just go get laid right now in
Yeah.
the back of the car.
be fun.
Come on, let's go have some
Happy
sex.
anniversary.
Oh,
Happy
thank
no, hold on, no.
thing later.
I've done some freaky things in my life, but these people were way out there. Now, Froy, on the other hand, is into the menage a trois thing, and being the dog that he is, he would have taken up the offer if I hadn't been here.
Right? Worry about that later.
Get off of my. Get off.
Guys, we should
Get off. Okay? Get off.
Happy anniversary, guys. Okay.
You guys look like a nice
Why don't
married
you guys-
couple.
Okay, wait. We're not married. Okay, we're not married.
You guys got chemistry.
Oh hell.
I'm thinking about you guys right now, all over each other, with us in the back of a car. This car is plenty big for all of us. Ex, do you like your ex fries?
Step out of the car, please, ma'am, please. Okay, this is getting ridiculous. I mean, this woman's husband knows that we're here for the car, yet he's letting her embarrass herself in front of all these cameras. You know, if I wasn't so overwhelmed, I would have said something.
Oh, come on, just tell me honestly, don't you
ma'am.
like that?
Step aside, please. Step aside. Get the hell away from this car. Don't touch me. And you don't touch me with them dirty ass hands.
Look, you guys have got some weird. But right now, the finance company needs the car back. Okay, you're 4 months behind it. We're here to repossess it.
Wait,
Then-
4 months behind what?
He hasn't paid the car for 4 months, and that's the reason we're here. That's what I'm trying to tell you since I got here.
I'm trying to get caught up on
You
it.
haven't
Oh, I got
paid
the
for
money
the
coming
car?
in.
No, you know what? Happy anniversary. Pay for
Thanks.
the car.
You guys are happy, baby. Oh, come back, babe. Look, I'll let you wear this thing. I'll wear the dress.
The keys are in it.
He left him in there. He's too busy his wiener.
That's so weird.
Yeah, oh yeah, you're everything. Right next to everybody else.
What's up, Ronnie? What you got, man?
That was you pimp gang. Hey, just looking over. Oh, hey, Linda sent me the picture of that boat too.
Oh,
man.
did she?
It looked job bootleg though. Hey, I got some printouts too if you want it.
This is what she sent you?
Yeah.
No. Come on, Linda. Dude, did you tell her this was okay?
Hey man, this Linda stuff, I don't even know.
You do know you're gonna write on this too, right? You have a say-so on this. Did you say it was okay?
I mean, whatever she said, I was just like, all right, man.
No. I gotta talk to her. What the hell is she? This boat can't even make it out of the harbor, much less try to chase down a yacht in the international waters. And the Repo's only a few days away. Linda, what the hell is up with this boat that you got us? Of course it's not right. You better have a better plan than this. Linda, where is this boat gonna take us? Does Sonia know about this? All right, stop. At least tell me that you didn't pay for this yet. Please tell me you still have the money for this. You know what? I can't believe that Sonia put you in charge in this, but I gotta call her. You already messed up. I gotta talk to Sonia. All right, I'll talk to you later. Dude, this is good disaster. This is not gonna work. There's no way.
I mean, but like, you still think we're gonna be able to get the yacht with that joint?
There's no way. It's a piece of she already paid for it. Not gonna go talk to Sonia.